In Outlook, you have custom actions available in the message pane right next to each email. You can choose up to 4 of your most used actions. These features are available on Outlook Desktop and web. But what about dedicated quick actions for the touchscreen devices? These are like your Surface devices. Users have asked and Microsoft have delivered the swipe command. Let's check it out. I am in Adele's mailbox. First, let's review her swipe settings. Click on View Settings and type in swipe. The swipe command means that when you are swiping from left to right, you will perform an action and in this case, mark a message read or unread. Notice the icon. It's the action that it's performing. Swipe left. That means that when you're swiping in the direction from right to left, in this case, she will delete a message. Be careful when you choose the delete option. Some people have accidentally deleted some messages, but don't worry, they are in the deleted folder. You can easily get them back. For both swipe commands, you can choose the none option to disable it. Now, while you're swiping, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go work your magic.